Hi guys. So in this video we are going to learn about how to insert a family tree. So the data is already being typed. So you're not going to change the data at all. We are going to change only the alignment of it. So under the family tree of computer, we are going to have personal computers, servers, and then embedded system. Here under personal computers, we'll have desktop, laptop, tabs, and tablets, and then we have servers, embedded system. So whichever should come under which category, that's it, that's all you have to do. And then right click and select convert to smart art. From the list you are getting, you just go and select more smart art graphics. Okay, you'll be getting the dialog box. From that, select hierarchy, and then go with the picture organization chart if you need the data along with the picture. Okay, then select click OK. That's it. So you'll be able to see the hierarchy which is being inserted automatically. And if you wanted to change the content, you can even double click on it and you can change the content of it. And just to change the style background color and text, just press Control A, and then you can even change it just by changing the color, fill color, and then text color. You can change the format of it. Okay, so click on that particular picture and then change the design. Okay, insert the image. So that's it. We'll meet you in other video. Thank you. Happy learning.